Have you ever stood before something so grand that it takes your breath away? Imagine towering statues, each a testament to human creativity and ambition. The world's largest statues are not just colossal figures, they are stories carved in stone, echoing the dreams and cultures of the people who built them. Take the Statue of Unity in India, standing at an astonishing 182 meters. It's a tribute to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, a leader who unified a nation. Or consider the Christ the Redeemer in Brazil, arms wide open, welcoming millions to Rio. These statues do more than just rise above landscapes. They connect us to history, faith, and the essence of humanity. Whether you're an art lover, a history buff, or just a curious traveler, these monumental creations invite us to reflect on our shared experiences. So next time you see a giant statue, remember, it's more than just stone. It's a piece of our global story,